84-year-old Ralph Franklin doesn't let his age get in the way of what he loves most.
I plant them out as soon as spring would let you plant them.
He's talking about his sunflowers and gardening.
I don't want to stay inside all the time. I like to work.
But this isn't a case of all work and no play, because Ralph enjoys every minute he spends outside working in the yard. He wasn't born with a green thumb. In fact, Franklin is a former firefighter, one who just needed something to do in his spare time.
I just started gardening around the house. That's what got me started after I retired.
A flower here and some vegetables there, and before you know it, flowers drape over his entire home on South Alice. Sky-high sunflowers standing about 10 feet tall and blooms that could cover the sun.
It's
the size of my head. And it's a good thing he isn't scared of bees, because they're everywhere. But surely gardening can't be his only passion.
I like to go fishing.
However, his love for fishing doesn't stand a chance when it comes to his sunflowers.
Getting too old to fish and play with a boat.
But you're not getting too old to garden.
Mm-mm.
And the secret to growing a garden full of cheer?
I just put the seed out and let nature take its course.
His yard covered in bright sunflowers proves Mother Nature and Ralph are doing their job. In Dothan, Leila Grace, WDHN News.